I'm Sonya. I have been teaching Pilates for 15 years and I really enjoy how people feel better and stronger. This video is inspired by some of my clients. Sometimes they come in with a sore back or kinks in their body after cleaning the house. So I created this mini workout to help your body get stronger for spring cleaning. And before we start, I would like to mention that your support really helped me to create more content to share with you. So if you like this video, please subscribe, press like, and share with others. I really appreciate all your help. And here are the 5 exercises you should do in sequence. In front of a table, hands on the table, shoulder width apart, feet parallel, hip distance apart. Back straight, shoulders wide. On exhale, curl your tailbone, round your whole back like an angry cat. Inhale, straighten your back to the starting position. Do it for 6 sets. When you round your back, make sure you don't hunch your upper back too much and raise your shoulders up towards your ears. You should feel a smooth curve throughout your whole back and shoulders relax. When you straighten your back, make sure you don't pinch your shoulder blades and drop your ribs. Should feel shoulder blades flat and abs draw in so ribs are not dropping. This is to warm up our back and our shoulders, as we often have to carry, push, and pull furniture or vacuum when we clean. It is very important that we warm up our back and shoulders so we can handle the housework. Come back to the starting position. Bend your knees, then lift your heels. Straighten your legs and lower your heels. Do it for 5 sets. Keep your back straight and your body weight in between your hands and feet. Knees bent, heels lift, legs straight, and heels down. This is to warm up our lower body, our feet, ankles, knees, and legs. Now reverse. Lift your heels and then bend your knees. Lower your heels, then straighten your legs. Keep your back straight the whole time, especially when you bend your knees and when you lower your heels. You should feel the stretch in your calves. Also do 5 sets in this direction. Of course, we need to warm up our whole body. If some part of our body is stiff, our body will start to compensate. Other joints will work harder and may cause some kinks and twists. Now, your feet are wider than shoulders. Feet parallel, toes still point forward. Inhale, bend your knees and hips to a squat position. Then, exhale, keep your back straight to an inclined plank position. Do it for 10 sets. After warming up the joints, we are moving bigger and deeper in our joints. Keep your back straight and abs in so you use your core. When you squat, make sure you bend your hips and knees about the same amount. Keep your knees in line with your second toe when you squat and relax the front of your ankles. When you lean forward to the plank position, keep your heels low, close to the floor. Elbows in and now shrug your shoulders up. Stop in the squat position, both arms straight, back long. Inhale, open your right arm straight towards the ceiling, ribs and head follow the arm. Exhale, reach right arm under your left arm and rotate your upper back to the left. Do it for 8 sets. Make sure your back is straight and abs draw in so your core is working. When you twist, try not to move your pelvis. Only twist from your rib cage. This helps you to work your core, stabilize your lower back, mobilize your upper back, work your legs, and stretch your glutes. All this will help your body to move better and easier to get into some of the demanding positions when you are doing housework. Now your second side. Inhale, open left arm straight towards the ceiling. Upper back follows the arm. Exhale, thread your left arm under your right arm and rotate your upper body to the other way. Strong core to keep your back straight. Lower back and pelvis still while moving your upper back and arm. Also do 8 sets. Make sure your back is straight and use your core. And try to use your body this way when you lift, carry, push, and pull furniture or stuff. Last exercise, bring your feet back to hip distance apart. Take your left foot forward and bend the knee. Keep your right heel down, squeeze right glutes, and feel a slight stretch in front of your right hip and your right calf. Now do 5 push-ups with both arms. Keep elbows in, not shrugging your shoulders. Then left arm behind your back and 5 push-ups just with right arm. Pelvis stay still, try not to tilt your pelvis or lean on one side. Once you are done, bend your right knee, lean back, straighten your left leg and flex your left ankle to stretch your left hamstrings. Keep your back straight. We have been in squat for a while, so make sure we stretch out our hamstrings. Now switch sides. Right foot forward, knee bent, left heel down, toes point straight forward, glutes engage, 5 push-ups with both arms. Keep elbows in, not shrugging your shoulders. Then right arm behind your back, 5 single arm push-ups. Keep your good form, back long, abs in. Then front leg straight, back leg bent for your hamstring stretch. Let's finish with both arms on the table, legs parallel, back straight. Bend your knees if you need to keep your back straight. Then curl your tailbone round your back to roll your body up to standing position. If you like this video, please press like and share. You can find more videos on my channels for workouts, exercises, and tips to take care of your body. Welcome to subscribe. Remember to hit the bell by the subscription button so you get weekly upload. Love your comments and see you soon in the next one.